Hi everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this Yoga for a Rainy Day series. Let's come to a comfortable seated position and close the eyes. Bring the hands together, a long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's rest the hands down, tuning into the breath, the body, the mind. And then allow yourself a long, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let's open the eyes. We're going to begin with just a nice lean over to the side, kind of a nice lateral stretch with the torso. Let's exhale and lean over. And if you're comfortable here, you might even rest the elbow down. Let's sweep the left arm and reach over. And we'll hold it there. Kind of explore a little bit of an open twist, allowing the rib cage to kind of spiral open. Easy does it. If there's any strain in the neck, you might want to look down or even support the head with the left hand. We'll stay here for a few more breaths, just reaching, feeling. Easy does it. Just a few more breaths. Nice. Inhale all the way back up and exhale. Slide over to the other side, sweeping the arm. Remember, one side might feel different than the other, tighter, more flexible, easier to breathe, harder to breathe. Now see if we can spiral that torso open, getting the feeling of an open chest. Opening through the shoulders. Keep breathing. Keep it calm. That's nice. A few more breaths. Letting go of the tension through the neck. Almost there. A little more release. And slowly inhale all the way back up and exhale. Very nice. Now let's slowly go into a hanging forward fold. Come out of the blanket for a moment and then walk the feet a little bit back. Slowly roll through the ankles, drape lightly down. And then inhale, we'll slowly roll through the hips and allow the body to release into the forward fold, maybe keeping the knees bent for this first one. That's good. Let's bend the knees completely, a little squat, and then inhale, straighten out. That's good. Observe any places of tightness and see if the body can release a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Nice. Last one, let's bend, interlace the fingers, and straighten, allowing the arms to drape down, relaxing, releasing it over. One more breath, and release the hands, bring them all the way back down, sliding lightly down. Scoot the knees over to the side. Let's grab the blocks and we'll set the blocks up for Matsyasana, or the fish pose. You might want to get the blanket because we'll be there for a little bit. Sliding under. Then placing the lower block at the lower ribs, making sure it's not too pointy, and then resting the head on that upper block, repositioning as you need. And after you find yourself all the way in, let's get cozy. All right. Getting nice and comfortable, nice and cozy. Letting that quiet space really just take over. This is also a great practice to do anytime you're in need of dialing down the nervous system. Let the heart slowly open so that each breath brings a little more spaciousness to the chest. Maybe just 5 more breaths here. And try to deepen and elongate the breaths, extending the exhalation. Softening the mind, softening the body. Release as much as you can, let go as much as you can. The last breath. Slowly use the elbows, bend the knees, remove one block, find the other block, move them out to the side. Pause for a moment in constructive rest position, the sacrum on the ground in a neutral position. And then let's extend the arms and legs, lie down. We now can take rest. See how deeply the mind can descend into the inner space. What depth is available just under the surface of our ordinary thoughts. Having touched that inner depth, allow a wave of healing, good vibration, blessing to roll over the whole body. Slowly reawaken your hands, your feet, arms and legs, the head, the neck, the torso. Let's bend the knees and the elbows, rolling over on to the right side. Inhale, we'll come all the way up, finding again our comfortable seated position. Let's close the eyes and bring the hands together. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, let's softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love.